It's an exciting time in Houston. It's been an exciting week. With the announcement of Eli Lilly moving here on Tuesday, and this kickoff, and just how that is really going to drive the region, the state, and I think nationally, the role in biomanufacturing.
This new center is going to bolster our region as a life science leader. So with the opening of this center, we are investing in not only infrastructure, but more importantly, in our students, and you're going to get to meet students today.
It's a privilege to join you for the opening of the Center for Biotechnology. This has been a 2-year project from the NIBRT perspective, and it's a milestone certainly not just for San Jacinto, but as everyone has said, for workforce development in the life sciences sector in the region, in the state, and also nationally.
This is the exemplar of a public-private and international partnership. What brings it together? It's having the right partners, it's having the right leaders in those partnerships and in those institutions, and it's having the right, not just the vision, but the strategy, because the strategy brings the vision to life through the implementation. It's going to fill this building and this facility with a lot of life. They're going to have access to really quality jobs, which ultimately are going to support bringing discoveries to treatments that save people's lives. And I don't know what better way to spend some time. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for the partnership. Thank you for being exemplars.